thought y'all might want to see this. Took a this was an aluminum, a carbon fiber arrow that I cut down, and it just has a screw and a nut taped to the front of it to give it to move its center of gravity forward like that. I made a sling. It's just paracord, two loops on the end, nothing in the middle, no eyes or anything in the middle. I didn't know how long to make it at first, and I threw it through the bolt twice without the weight to the front, and it really had horrible flight characteristics. Now it flies great. The first couple of throws were into the dirt, so I figured that meant the sling was long, so I shortened it about 6 inches or so, and made a couple more attempts, and the last one was actually respectable. So I thought I'd show you. I saw the guy on YouTube kind of doing this technique, and he was killing it. So here's what I have: bolt, sling. It's in a cradle like that. Okay. The sling is to the outside. The releasing part is to the outside. Now I just tried to emulate the guy's movement, and I'm not saying I'm any good at it or anything, but the last flight was all right. Let's try and do what he did here. And he comes down around like this, goes up and over around behind his back, and then it comes around like that for release. So let's try this technique. Here we go. All right, it was a little high, but it launched. I hit the tree above it, above the plywood. So I'm still trying to develop the technique for everything, loading it, holding it, and I've got it like that, and then I'm pinching it, and you can adjust the angle of the bolt within the sling by pulling one side or the other, if you get it centered where you like it, and then just pinch it like that, just like that, and you have it, see how it's on the outside of my finger. Hung up. It was not very smooth. Yeah. Oh my God. Gotta be fluid in your movement. I don't know. Alright, let's try it. Try something else. How about just from down here? That went. Slide on. That's right. Two hits in a row. Put the field tip back in it and just tape the nut to the shaft. Slide on. Ooh, just past it. Missed it to the left a little. That was weird. That was a weird sound. Focus on control. Clean release. Into the dirt. Slide on. the nut was sliding forward on impact, and I don't know, I guess moving the cardboard, but it was causing it to eject out of the target. So I taped it up some more. I think we're reaching the conclusion that this is pretty cool. But takes a little practice. Ooh. To the left.